Hey, Mooch. Don't be like your mom.
Oh, what are you doing? Yeah. Okay, go. Go. You know how to do that, huh? Look at mommy. Say hi, Mom. No, other way. There she is. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Sam. You get dirty. Show everybody your outfit.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You're supposed to show the camera though.
Show off, Mish. Show your outfit. Come here. Come over here.
And tell us what it's for.
Okay. Now, what's your outfit
Wait.
Pantyhose and shorts and that's
I know. What'd mommy buy these for, though? What are those for?
No.
You don't know what they're for? Aren't they for ballet?
Yeah.
Baby. So what you doing? Huh?
So when's ballet?
I have no idea.
She told me after Easter.
We're thinking about putting her in the Y. What's it called? The YMCA?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but we need to find a really cheap place that'll take her.
How much is just tumbling at sunrise?
Huh? Where'd you get the bow?
How much is tumbling at sunrise?
Tumbling?
Yeah. They have
I
a
have no
toddler's
idea.
tumbling class at Sunrise. Didn't you used to go to Sunrise?
No, I went to gym, but I never knew how much it was.
Oh.
What are you gonna do with that tail
They're
fan?
hiding behind me.
I don't know. It's too heavy now.
We dropped it. Oh no. Pick up.
Don't breathe it in, Mooch. That's not good for you.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Show me kiss.
Lower kiss. Lower kiss. Baby, she's so hung up on Mish.
Oh, she likes Mooch.
You want to get down so you can go play with Mish quick over there? Go play with Mish.
I can put my shit down.
Why don't you let her play with you, Mish? Take her for our cruise.
Mommy, look it. I'm in the pinky bike.
Ready to go?
No.
I am. She don't. No. Bye-bye. Ball? Bye-bye. Hi, Ball. Whoa. Ready?
I'm catch too.
Shot?
I'm catch.
Take it easy.
And I'm surprised she's running.
Okay. Can Jackie get on this, Mom?
I think you ought to just pick one or the other and not worry about the other. Throw it, Jess. Throw it. Good ball.
Watch out.
No.
What, Milo?
Goodness, you fell. You fell down.
Sam, say hi. Doe.
Can I use your knee, Sammy? Oh, Sammy.
Sammy Joe, where's your knee? Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button, Sammy? There? Oh. Where's your ears? Oh, yeah. Where's your hair? Where's your hair?
You have your shoes
Sammy.
on the wrong feet.
Sammy, where's your hair? Where's your hair? Yeah. Where's your
Jackie,
hand?
move!
Sammy, talk to your Where's your brother hand? like that.
Where's
your hand?
Kick the bite.
Preoccupied. Careful, he might dent it.
Where's your hand? Sammy, where's your hand? Yeah, where's your toes? Aunt Nikki, where's your brain? I don't know. I lost it on the way to school one day. I didn't find it. Okay, let's go. Because it's time to go.
I'm not ready yet.
I am. Come on, stinker. No.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.